It's another hair dyeing day. My hair is pretty much blonde again since dyeing it kind of peachy, kind of orangey peach. So I figured today would be a good day to go this bright pink colour. I've used up all of the pink dye and all of my white conditioner that I had left. This is all I've got. It should be enough. I've got my very dirty gloves, I've got my dye, I've got my tint brush, got my tea, got everything ready, and I'm just going to put the dye on. Then later on we're going to have a look at another heatless curling device, but it is going to be an overnight job. So yeah, maybe I'll open them now. Alright, let's open them now. Strawberries! I'm going to do strawberry hair today, both with colour and with curling device. We have a little sort of gap here. Let me show you this way. So it's got a little opening here, which is where you put your hair. You wrap it around, it keeps it in place. So I bought a pack of 12 of these. I hope they do work well, because if so, they could be a good alternative to my heated curling rod, curling tool, whatever it is. So yes, we'll use those later, but for now, let's get dyeing. Three-quarters of the way through, it's looking very pink. I finished putting the dye on, and miraculously I had just the right amount of dye left. It's completely gone, so I can't do any touch-ups. So hopefully I have covered all of my hair. Oh. So anyway, I've got absolutely no pink dye left, so I will leave it on, wash it off, then we'll use our little straws. The next morning, the next day, it's the next day. The strawberries are still in my hair. Yes, they're a bit looser, but I don't think I've lost any. I'm very intrigued to see what this is gonna come out like. I'm just gonna go on the assumption that my hair is now dry and we're gonna take out the strawberries. Moment of truth. I don't have great expectations for the results of this. I just don't feel like it's gonna work on my hair, but we'll see. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, that is way more curly than I thought it would be. What the hell? That's really bouncy. Oh wow. Okay, I was not expecting that. I'm not sure about this. Whoa! Look at that! You can really see the colour difference in the end of my hair and the middle of my hair when it's like that. Oh, that one did not come out well at all. Ugh. Go over here now. I think there's definitely gonna be some trial and error with these. They'll take some getting used to. I think last night I've already figured out a better way. Why is this one so messy? A better way to section off my hair. Oh, and that one's still a bit damp, I think. But that one didn't work at all. Look at that. That's awful. What on earth? There's hair like stuck around the strawberry, look. Look at that! Ah. Okay, well, two of them came out really messy. I mean, this is a little bit wavy, but it's a mess. And this one back here, well, I guess it is a little bit wavy, but it's much more of a mess. My whole head of hair is a mess. The colour has come out pretty great. Let's see if I can make it any better. I'll just sort of like separate some of them. I don't think I'm making it any better. I'm making it much worse. I might just brush it. Oh, I'm ruining this, but it's such a mess. Oh, I'm making it static. Ugh. And it feels really dry on the ends. It feels like straw. Look at that. What's going on? Okay. Well, now that I've brushed that side, I should probably brush this side. I don't think brushing it was the best way to go. Before I brushed it, after I brushed it, I'm not very happy. It's very dry feeling. Maybe I'll try putting some R&B in it. I think I'm just making this worse and worse, but I'm gonna try it. Oh, it's making me feel really dry. Well, I think this is as good as it's gonna get, honestly. It's okay, but I don't think I'd do it again. I don't think I really like when this part of my hair is really straight and this part's really curly on this half of my head. On this half, it looks okay. It has given some really nice curls in some places, these straws, and I do think that I could have put them in better. I thought it might have been better to section my hair horizontally, do it in 3 sections, so one like sort of starting here, maybe one here, and then the top bit, have 3 strawberries on the bottom, 4 strawberries in the middle, and 5 on the top. Maybe that would make it more even, and then the hair wouldn't be coming from like such a wide area, and maybe it would have worked a bit better. They were really comfortable to sleep on. I didn't have any trouble sleeping. I did sleep on a silk pillowcase. They were really easy and quick to put into my hair. They were a lot of fun to wear, very comfortable. They looked adorable. I'm not sure how long they'll last. You can already see that some of them have little rips. Some rips there, because they are just foam, of course, and they were really cheap. I would recommend getting 12 rather than 6, unless you've got a really small amount of hair. The more I've sort of messed with it, the more happy I am with the result. In fact, it did a much better job than what I was expecting. I was expecting no curls, just straight hair, basically. So I got pretty much the opposite of that, which is great. So it did the job. I just don't know if I like it, if I like the result on my hair. I do love the colour though. I think that's it. I think we're done. The next colour, as you will know if you've been following me along my whole hair journey sort of thing, is going to be like a magenta sort of colour. I will be doing that once the pink has washed out, and I'll let you know how quickly that washes out. On that note, I don't think I said how quickly the other 2 colours have washed out. Apricot, the first colour that I did, didn't last very long at all. It washed out pretty quickly. After 2 or 3 washes, it was already not very noticeable. The peachy sort of colour lasted a very long time, I'd say. It lasted at least a month. That doesn't sound like a very long time. And I wash my hair every 3 days. I will let you know how long the pink lasts. Let me know what you think of it, if you will. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!